Yankees going for their 5th win in 6 games, hosting the Mariners. Domingo German won his first career game last time out, looking to make it 2 in a row as we pick things up. Bottom of the 1st, Mariners in front 1-0. Giancarlo Stanton at the dish, facing Marco Gonzalez.
And he swings and hits one a ton to deep center. That ball is high, it is far, it is gone! Monument Park, Giancarlo, no si può stopparlo.
Swing on and miss, and German is being dominated. A 1-2-3 second, third, fourth, and fifth.
Swung on and hit in the air to left field and deep. That ball is high, it is far, it is gone! It's a 2-run blast by Miguel Andujar. The do can do, and getting Miggy with it. He hits a 2-run home run, and the Yankees take a 3-1 lead. Hicks hits a high drive to left center. Back goes Heredia and Span on the track. At the wall, she's gone. Hicks hits one to the sticks, and the Yankees have a 5-1 lead.
Now that ball is actually stuck in the back of the bullpen. There's a bench where the pitchers sit, and the 2 slats in the top of that bench. The ball went right in there, and it's stuck there.
There's the 1-2. Strike 3 is called inside corner of the knees. Strikeout number 9 for German.
Pitch popped up, 7 strong for German. Gregorius puts it away.
Here is the 0-1. Swung on and into the air to deep left. That ball is high, it is far, it is gone. The ball went over the grandstand and into the bleachers. Wow, it's Gleyber Day. And like a good Gleyber, Torres is there. Boy, did that ball go out. Whoa.
The Yankees win for the 5th time in 6 games, taking it 7-2. Aaron Hicks goes deep for the 3rd straight game. Domingo German wins his 2nd straight start, allowing just 2 runs, 1 earned in 7 innings while striking out 9. Miguel Andujar 2 hits, 2 RBIs, and scores twice.